Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I want to be the one to say welcome. On this channel, we talk about men's fashion, grooming, and lifestyle tips so that every man can be just a little better. And today I'm going to talk about one of my favorite things in the world, and that is fragrances. Guys, I think fragrances are so important. They make you feel better. They make you look better. You ever smell so good that you look better? Well, that's what these fragrances I'm about to talk about are going to do for you. And today I'm coming at you guys with a banger because I'm gonna be talking about my top 5 date night fragrances. Guys, you're going out with that special lady, you're going out with that special someone, you got the special occasion, you buy your best clothes, fix your hair, fix your beard, get all ready, and there's just a last touch to make sure you blow them away when you get there. That's gonna be how you smell. It leaves an impression. It makes people see you a certain way. If you smell good, you're automatically more attractive. So make sure you invest in one of these for the next time you take that special person out. You're not gonna regret it. They're gonna find you sexy. They're gonna wanna be close to you. So without further ado, let's go into my top 5, and we're gonna start with my number 5, which is a staple. This one is a must-have for every man. It's super popular. I'm pretty sure you've already seen it, and it is none other than La Nuit de l'Homme by YSL. This one is sexy. It smells refreshing. It smells super manly, but it's not rough. It's smooth, it's sweet, it's inviting, and there is no way you can go wrong with this one. This is one of those fragrances that everybody loves. It's mass appealing. So no matter where you go, who you go see, where you wear it, people are gonna find it enjoyable. People are gonna wanna be close to you, and your date is definitely gonna wanna be close to you, cuddling up next to you, just to get a whiff of this one. It has a note of bergamot, it has a note of apple, smells like there's a little bit of vanilla. But guys, pick this one up. I promise you, you're not gonna regret it. La Nuit de l'Homme by YSL. Moving on to my number 4. This one has a new formulation that I don't think is very good. So if you go to Macy's today, 2020, and you go look for the next fragrance I'm about to talk about, that's not the one that I have here. This is the old formulation. You have to order it online. And if you can get your hands on it, definitely get your hands on it. It is none other than Dior Homme Intense. Guys, Dior Homme Intense. It smells different. It smells so sweet. It smells so good, so rounded and smooth. And I've heard that it smells like makeup. It smells like lipstick. And I know that sounds a little bit weird, but I promise you, girls love this type of smell because it's just so sweet. It's not overly masculine, but it's not too feminine either. It's right in that sweet spot where girls just love being around this smell. And I promise you, if you're gonna go out on an intimate date, maybe you're gonna be at the movies, you're gonna go watch a movie, do something where you're close to somebody, pick this one up, guys. It's a cuddly smell. It makes you want to cuddle, makes you want to stay close to each other. You know, if you're ever gonna give her one of your sweatshirts, spray this on the sweatshirt. She's gonna sleep with it. It just smells so good and so intimate. I know I've smelled it like 3 times, but it's just that good, guys. Promise you, you're not gonna regret picking this one up. Dior Homme Intense, the old formulation. Guys, my number 3, we're moving into the top 3 right now, and this fragrance needs no introduction. It is by the house of Dolce & Gabbana, and it is none other than Dolce & Gabbana The One Eau de Parfum. They have the Eau de Toilette concentration, but if you can, invest just a little bit more and get the Eau de Parfum because it is going to make a difference. And this one, oh my God. This one, guys, smells so spicy and warm and sexy. You're going for a sexy, seductive smell. If you're like, hey, Marcos, hold up. I know you're talking about sweet fragrances. You're talking about cuddly fragrances. What do I get if I just want to smell like a sex god? You're going to pick up Dolce & Gabbana The One. This one is seductive. This one has a note of amber, makes it warm. It brings the person in, and then it throws in that note of tobacco. And it almost smells like there's vanilla in here as well, so that when you bring them in with that warm amber, you get hit with that manly but rugged and sexy tobacco mixed in with that sweet vanilla. It rounds it off, makes it so good, so attractive. And I can't get enough of this one. As you can see, I don't know if you can see from there, but it's almost over because that's how much I wear this one. Dolce & Gabbana The One Eau de Parfum. You won't regret it. Pick this one up today. Guys, moving into my top 2. Number 2, I'm pretty sure you've seen, let's call it the Dad Cologne, right? Which is the original version of the one I'm about to show you. It's called the Dad Cologne because every single dad has had this cologne. I'm pretty sure you've smelled this cologne and you've seen it. But this version right here took it up a notch, made it modern. It's none other than Acqua di Gio Profumo by Giorgio Armani. This one right here, guys, it smells aquatic. It smells super fresh. and super clean. This smells rich. You want to smell mature, but you still want to smell attractive. You still want to smell like a modern man. You got a nice job, you know, you got a fat bank account, and you're just a put together, well-rounded guy. This is the cologne you're gonna want to wear. So if you want to go on that date and you just want to be sophisticated, you want to, you know, you're putting on a nice tux or you're putting on a sophisticated look and you want to wrap the whole thing together and make sure you tie it off with that nice bow, pick up Giorgio Armani Profumo. This one can be worn any time of the year. It can be worn every single day. It's not just for these special occasions, but it's just so good. It is so clean. It is so masculine, modern, that it's my number 2 for dates. So guys, pick this one up. You can grab it anywhere. You can check the links below, but definitely get this one. I recommend every man have this one in their collection. Last but not least, guys, we are going to be talking about my number 1. I fell in love with this fragrance. I got introduced to it about a year ago, and when I finally got my nose on it, I fell in love. I could not stop smelling this fragrance. I got a sample, and I didn't even want to use the whole thing because every night I wanted to spray just a little bit so I could keep smelling it. And that's when I said, you know what, I gotta buy myself a bottle. And I did. I pulled the trigger and bought the bottle. All right, guys, last but absolutely not least, we are about to talk about my number 1 date night fragrance. And this is a different one, man. I'm pretty sure you have never smelled this one before unless you're really into fragrances. And if you're not, I got good news for you, because if you get this one, nobody else is going to smell like you. And it is none other than Parfums de Marly Layton. This fragrance is spicy, it's creamy, it's sweet, and it is so seductive. Man, I don't know. Look, sometimes when I wear it, I feel like it's a bit too strong, but the ladies seem to love this one. Every time I wear this one, I get a compliment from somebody. It does not matter. Every time I wear this one, I get a compliment, because not only does it smell sweet, seductive, creamy, spicy, super warm, but it projects like crazy. So you're walking around and everywhere you go, it's gonna leave that beautiful scent trail, and people are just gonna turn their heads to see who smells that good, who smells that different, because I'm pretty sure the person you're taking out has not smelled this on any man. I'm pretty sure that none of your boys are gonna have this fragrance, and I'm pretty sure that if you wear this fragrance, you are going to get the reaction that you want from that special somebody. You're gonna get the compliments, you're gonna get that wow factor. It's gonna last from 8 to 10 hours on your skin. Everywhere you go, you're gonna get heads turning to see who smells that good. Guys, pick this one up, Parfums de Marly Layton. You will not regret it. This is my number 1, and I'm sharing it with you guys. I'm putting it out there so you guys pick it up as well and up your game just a little bit. So there you have it, guys. Those are my top 5 date night fragrances. Like I said before, these constantly change because I'm always trying out new fragrances. And if I ever come up with a new top 5, I'll make sure to put it out so you guys can hop on the wave as well. But guys, I'm linking every single one of these down below. Feel free to pick any of them up. They're all gonna do what you want them to do for you. They're all gonna smell sexy. They're all gonna smell put together. They're all gonna smell attractive, and they are all perfect for date nights. As always, guys, it's a pleasure to come on here, put you guys to some new games, help you guys get into some new things, give you guys some tips and some pointers. And as always, you know I love having conversations with y'all. So put down in the comments what your go-to is for dates. Put down if you have any of these, if you agree with me, if you disagree. I would love to know. I'd love to have that conversation. Guys, please give this video a big thumbs up. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. It helps my video get up there. Give this channel a subscribe if you haven't yet. It's really helpful. It helps me keep doing what I'm doing. And like always, I love you guys. Can't wait to be back here with a new video for y'all. See you later. Thank you for the support. Peace.